Hi guys, this is Dr. T. So I have on my DIY outfit today. So that means we're in the kitchen and we're getting ready to make this DIY honey and oatmeal mask. Why honey? Well, honey acts as an antibacterial property to help with inflammation. It reduces redness and irritation from acne-prone skin and eczema. Can also help speed up the healing time and acts as a natural exfoliant. Oatmeal absorbs excessive oil from the skin and also acts as an anti-inflammatory property and an exfoliant as well. Now, when I'm making skincare products, I like to use organic items because organic products are either free of herbicides, pesticides, and have less chemicals added, and so it's also natural and better for your skin. Now, to make this DIY, you're going to need a measuring cup, a bowl, your honey, your oatmeal, and some measuring spoons. Now, you can also utilize a mixer to get a more consistent blend of your product. Now, before you try any DIY product on your skin, always do a tester behind the ear or a little bit on the wrist and see how your skin does 24 to 48 hours after applying it to see if you're going to have any rash, redness, or irritation on the skin. Now, this mask is great for acne-prone skin. Again, it helps soothe the skin. But again, test it before you try it. Now, after you've made your mixture, it can last up to 1 week if you store it in an airtight container that has a nice seal in your refrigerator. However, if you smell it and it smells like it's going bad, you want to throw it away. If it starts turning discolored, you want to throw it away, but it can last for a week. Okay, so we're going to dive in and we're going to make this product. And we're going to use our whisker. Now, if you feel like your product is not blended up well or that the honey is not adhering to the oatmeal, you can add a little bit more of the oatmeal to make sure that you have a nice even consistency. Like I said, you can use your blender or your electronic mixer to make sure that everything has a nice consistency. Now, when you finish, you want to apply it to clean skin, and you want to use your brush applicator. And so you're going to take your brush applicator and you're going to apply this in the bathroom.